Hello everyone. What I have today is a Bricard Trial S. There's our key. Very smooth lock. Got this lock from my buddy Tony S. He's got a channel, it's called Tony S Locks. If you haven't already, please go check it out. He is an amazing picker and just such a great guy. Now, this lock's a little tricky, at least to me, because no matter how I vary my tension, when I go in with just a regular little flag, I can't seem to get any pins to bind. But when I take this little curved one in there, I can get my binder and I can get into a false set. Then I have trouble getting the pick back out. Like, see, I'm in my false set, and that's really all I want out of this pick. Now I just want it to come out. Oh, there we go. Little violence, never hurt anybody. All right. I'm just going to go in with a small flag and start I think pin 1 might be fun. Yep, there we go. Pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 6, and now I go back in with the curved flag. I think this would be a lot easier if I had and Tony recommended a set that I'm going to get, but these are, while I love the handles, the shafts are square. It's not focusing very well, but yeah, the shafts on these are square, so they're very clumsy in here. And there we go. Open, turn too much. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing pulled apart, gutted, so we can see what made that one so interesting. Because that was a really fun little lock. Let's see what size we're gonna need. I should do it. Find the shim real quick. All right. Trying to get this shim to fit up in here. Let me take this key out for a second. Doesn't want to give me the key. Okay. All right. Okay, I think I just found the passive pins. Wasn't even considering those when I just pulled the core out, so I'll have to figure that out when I'm putting it back together. Should just be able to look at the key. Alright. Yeah, I think these, yeah, there's 4. Okay. Yep, I'll figure those out in a moment. There's our 4 passive pins. I think it's going to be 2, 3, 4, and 6. I'm not sure. Alright. We're going to go from the back. Alright, we have a long spool. Here's our fun one. Pin 5 is pin and pin. I'll show you closer in a moment. And if I'm not mistaken, that was also my first binding pin and the last pin I had to touch all at the same time. There we go. Alright, so we got 5 spools and a nifty little pin and pin here. Don't know if you can see that too well. Come on, camera. Which it's that was pin 5. Alright, I'm going to move the camera a little bit. Give you guys a close-up of these pins. Yeah, here's our try to get it to come out a little bit there. There's our pin and pin, all spools. There we go. Alright guys, I really appreciate you watching. This has been a very, very fun lock. Sorry if my voice sounds off. I've been kind of down with a cold all week, but I'm getting better. I'm feeling a lot better now, medicated, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Have a good night.